Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape.
Its triple thick adhesive virtually welds itself.
This is the weekly test of the emergency alert system. No action is required. We now return to regular programming.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warning the impending hazard. We will now return to regular programming.
Bowed in half and repaired it with only Flex Tape. Not only does Flex Tape's powerful adhesive hold the boat together, but it creates a super strong watertight seal, so the inside is completely dry. Yeah, doggy!
Just cut, peel, stick, and seal.
Imagine everything you can do with the power of Flex Tape.